Welcome to our tutorial on how to use your Apple Cash Card in stores. If you're looking to streamline your shopping experience and make it to the most of your Apple Cash, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. Getting started with Apple Cash. First, ensure that you have the Apple Wallet set up on your iPhone. If you have not added your Apple Cash Card yet, open the Wallet app, tap the plus size, or follow the prompts to add your card. Action step: open your wallet app and check that your Apple Cash Card is visible. If not, add it now. Using Apple Cash in stores. You can use your Apple Cash Card anywhere that accepts Apple Pay. This includes a wide range of merchants, as Apple Pay is accepted at over 85% of retailers in the US. Just remember, for stores that don't accept Apple Pay do accept Discover, you can still use your virtual and card number. Action step: make sure to set your Apple Cash Card as your default payment method in the wallet app. To do this, open Wallet, tap on your Apple Cash Card, select Set as Default. Making a purchase. When you're ready to make a purchase, double-click the Set button on your iPhone. Hold your iPhone near the payment terminal. Wait for the beep or vibration indicated that the payment has been processed. Action step: practice this process next time you're at a store that accepts Apple Pay. Checking your balance and daily cash. After making purchases, keep track of your balance and any daily cash rewards you earn. You receive 2% daily cash back on purchase made with Apple Pay using your Apple Cash Card. Action step: regularly check your balance in the wallet app and monitor any cashback rewards you accumulate. Using your Apple Cash Card in stores is a simple and efficient way to manage your spending while earning rewards. With just few taps, you can make secure payments and enjoy the benefits of daily cashback. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Happy shopping!